How to buy BBonds. Open the Play Store on your mobile phone. Install the XchangeOn application developer Blockhub Limited. Open the XchangeOn app. Click on Register. Enter your details. Click on Next. Enter username and confirm your password. Click on Sign Up. Verify your email address. Log into your XchangeOn account using your credentials. Open menu from top left. Go to Deposits. In Coin, select BUSD. In the network, select BEP20. Click on Generate New Address. Copy your deposit address. Transfer BUSD BEP20 to your XchangeOn BUSD wallet. Now select BFIC. In the network, select New. Click on Generate a new address. From bottom menu, click on Trades. In the Buy section, enter the amount of BFIC you want to purchase. Click on Buy BFIC. Your order is successfully placed. Once your order is executed, go to Home from bottom menu. Click on Balance. You can see your purchased BFIC in your wallet balance. Now visit BBonds.io. Click on Login. Enter your XchangeOn credentials. Go to Wallets. Click on Create Wallet. Select BFIC Wallet. Press Create Wallet. Click on the plus sign in the Action column. Enter the amount of BFIC you wish to transfer from your XchangeOn wallet to Bonds wallet. Enter remarks. Click on Transfer. You can check the transferred amount in the Balance column. Click on Buy Bonds. Then click on Buy Bonds. Insert the number of bonds you wish to purchase. Press Buy Now. You can check your purchased bonds in the dashboard.